I'm Ronnie Delegati, and the type of agency that I will be doing my specialist internship in is an inpatient um, addictions treatment facility. Uh, and I'm hoping to get out of this field of experience just working more with addictions, some more hands on, and learning the specific population better and how best to serve them and treatments that are um, evidence based and actually see that in practice and get some more experience under my belt. Um, what am I hoping to get out of seminar is just the support um, for field um, and just help navigating the system. And how do I expect this field experience will be different? Is um, I hope to have more autonomy, have some more um, levity, maybe, to discuss with my field instructor or my field supervisor the things I would like to try and then be given the green light to try. And feedback and all of that good stuff that comes with the placement and knowing what I know and knowing what I and maybe not knowing what I don't know, but hoping to find that out um, while in this placement. The placement will be for both men and women, and it is, like I said, inpatient from uh, 90 days to longer if necessary. Um, so I'm really excited about the whole process. I can't wait to get started. I start actually on Thursday. So really looking forward to it. Hope you all have a great semester. Semesters, I guess, we'll be together. Uh, Looking forward to hearing your stories, meeting y'all, and hearing how what you're learning and how that's helping define where you want to be and how you want to be there. Have a great internship. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.